Hey y'all, day 4 of my VR log. Let's see what we've done. So, today, I've done a few things. I have made it where you can access this drawer. You can open it and close it. And then we have also so you can still pick up the key. You can also drop the key. And now we have the books. You can move the books. You can pick up the books. You can put the books one on top of each other. And then, of course, you can give the books a toss. You switch hands with the books. Then you can bend down and pick up the key again. And now something you can do with this key that you couldn't do last time is you can come over here. And if you get the key close to it, it'll tell you where you can put the key in. If you take it far away, it won't let you. And what I've also done is I've made it where if you try to put a book in, it's not going to accept a book anymore. It did earlier, it's not accepting the book anymore. But we put in the key, then guess what happens as soon as you put in the key? Haha, this opens. So, we've got 42 and 36. Guess what those numbers are for? So the next thing that I am going to do is I am going to program this guy to accept the code, and then the door will open. At least that's the plan. So thank you guys for joining me, and please, stay tuned to my YouTube and my Twitch and my Twitter for more updates on how it's all going down. Alrighty guys, thanks again. We'll see you. Bye.